Hey guys, we're out at the lake here today teaching the kids about fishing, having a fishing! Check it out. All right guys, so we got 3 different types of bait. We got plain old night crawlers from the store. We got the bluegill bait with clean foam. Says it's all just need it on the bait hook, completely cover the hook, dip it in the water, which actually any type of dough bait, you got to dip it in water because that lets it all set up and get stuck to your hook. And then we got, I never even tried these before, the crappie fireballs. They say they stay on your hook forever. Oh, and they smell like garlic. I actually thought they smell like crazy blood or rotten fish, but they smell like garlic. Smell that.
Let me see.
What's that smell like? Garlic bread?
Yeah. Garlic bread. Can I touch it?
Mm.
He caught a fish. He caught a fish.
Dad just caught a fish right there. Look at him eating it.
You guys, back up. Alright guys, come on. Who's going first?
Okay. Hook it.
It's a wiggly worm.
We're gonna hook it again a couple times on there. So it's a nice little wiggler. Alright.
And I'm
You're gonna go cast it?
That's what I'm gonna try to catch it. I'll follow it. If I fail, I'm gonna go right in there when I catch it.
Alright, show us how you do it without hitting any of your friends. Oh, it's a good one. Now you just let it sit because you got a bobber. Who's next? We got a lot of hands up. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Yep.
All right, we're going with this one. He's going next.
Jackson, you're going next. Me. I'm going next.
Oh, I got that on camera. Proof you hit your brother.
All right. So we're going with some foam next. I've used dough baits before, but I've never actually used this bluegill foam bait like this at all. So I'm kind of interested. This one smells like fish bait though.
You gonna have him put it on?
Here, check it out. Smell that. Smell good? Ew.
Oh, you can see a fish underwater.
Check it out. It's just like little foam pellets, kind of like little dough balls. So just gonna mush it on. And this one, I suppose, I'm just gonna kind of leave like a little string or something. What's it smell like? Smell nasty?
Yes.
Smells like some stink. All right, my man, you know how to cast these kinds of poles?
They're like on this side. I can hold it with
Yeah.
my left hand and hold it with I don't even know.
What happened?
Oh no!
Mine broke.
The pole
Oh,
broke.
you know what? No, the tip got busted off this. We know, probably, who did it.
I'm
But
gonna
look,
guess
it's all
Jeremiah.
sharp. It's super, super sharp. So the line, when it came back when we were swinging, hit that and gone it went.
Wait,
So we can see our bobber out there though. We can still see if it gets a bite.
Yeah, if you get a bite, and then
After
all of
we
a sudden
swing
it
those.
starts floating around the pond.
So we'll try to grab that if we see it zooming around the pond.
line broke.
Yeah, it
Yep.
broke. Look at that pole. We need a new pole. That thing
Like there was a
got
part
snapped.
of you.
Yep.
Yeah.
I
didn't
saw
even
something
realize.
else fly. I was like,
Did you?
Done it.
Trying to salvage a pole. What have you done? Well, you're kind of hurting the tree.
Not tree lights. It'll be alright. It's just a bite. Alright. Good enough. Good enough. Alright. The magic bluegill bait, it says. Magic bluegill bait. Let's see how magical it is. So far, it was magical enough to break off the ball. We're gonna retry putting this back on here. We're gonna
Did it take your bait? Took your bait?
I think I need to upgrade.
Upgrade to what? Oh, you want to try those?
Yeah.
You need to wait for your daddy to help you.
Yeah, because it's not garlic.
Because they smell like garlic.
the Potski Bait Co. And on the back it says, crappie fireballs are heavily scented bait balls meant to stay on your hook longer than other traditional dough baits. If you look at them, they're basically like a miniature Orbeez is all they are. And they smell like garlic really heavily.
Going right here.
Alright, you want to use that one? Oh my gosh, little wigglers. You want me to give me another one? Alright. So the video online from the bait co said just to put it on your regular bait. Just one. You want another one or two?
Two.
One or two? Two? Coda is going for the old blood bait.
Coda and Tristan are gonna challenge each other.
This stuff. Oh, what's that smell like?
Ew.
So with this stuff, it's all goopy and soupy. So we need this kind of hook with these little things that hold it on there. So it goes inside of there and mushes all around. So we're gonna mush it up, mush it all in. Notice I'm using a stick, not my hands. Oh man, because if you use your hands, you're not gonna be allowed in the house for a week.
It'll stay forever.
Right.
Oh, gross.
And then, let's go whip it out here for you, Coda Bear.
All right, now it's Tristan's turn.
So Tristan is checking out the dough bait. Yo, Catfish Charlie's. I actually have used this stuff up north.
For me I got my
Up on the Red River in Minnesota and up on the Mississippi by the headwaters, where the Mississippi is like less than this little pond is wide. But there's tons of catfish.
Is it stink
up there.
too?
Tons of channel cats up there. And yeah, this stuff smells like something else.
I don't know. I do smell some.
Ooh, want to smell this, Miles? Does it smell good? No, he's got to run away.
Tristan, you want to smell it?
Yeah. It smells like dog food.
So let me see your hook, my man.
It just smells like dog food, that's it.
Like dog food? Kinda. Kinda.
It doesn't smell that bad. Do the same thing.
Kinda. You whip it up a little bit in the center. Kind of make a little pit and a little whipped up mass. And then, it smells so gross, I know. We're gonna take it, just start mushing it all in there. And all those little spiky things will hold on to it. Oh yeah.
Stinky, huh?
Oh. Nasty smell stuff.
Ta-da! Lexi! Where you going? Where you
See
going?
if I can climb a tree.
Oh, she's gonna climb a tree. Dum dum da 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 da. She's gonna go climb a tree.
See if I can try.
Come back later to see if she succeeded.
So far, the kids are having nothing but bait stealers. Coda, grab it.
Get a bite.
Wait. Set the hook. Give it a jerk.
Give a jerk, huh?
Reel. Oh, hold on. So reeling, do you got him?
Reel. Yes, keep going. Faster.
What's he got?
Faster. You got a fishy. Faster.
What's he got?
Oh, you got a fishy.
He does have a turtle. Oh no.
He's got a turtle. It's okay.
We gotta.
Keep reeling.
Here. Sarah.
Oh no.
You got a fish on this one.
I don't think so.
Here, I'm gonna get it in here and help him.
I don't know why they're
Oh, he got off. The turtle got off.
It was on there. It was latched right onto that.
Oh,
one. I
honey,
thought
were
he
you
hooked
sad?
it.
It's okay.
good.
He's free
He
now.
wasn't hooked. He got off.
He's
and
free.
He's good.
Miles,
He said,
it's
thanks
okay.
for the worm, and he left. Oh, I thought I was gonna have to save a turtle from being hooked.
Yep.
But
It's
he's
okay.
good. You
Well,
did good.
you're
You
good,
let him
buddy.
off
Look
the
at me. You're good. He was like starting to panic. I don't want a turtle.
Why did I catch a worm?
Here, we're using the worm as bait. All right. See your bobber out there?
Yes.
Let's try this all over again, okay?
Keep an eye
Now
on
let's
it.
go for a fish, not a turtle.
Daddy, you got a tangle.
Oh wow, you do. Hold on one sec.
Dad, I got tangle.
What?
Got a tangle.
Oh, what the heck? Alright, hold on one sec. Yeah.
Let's go play at the pond.
I don't think fishing's gonna go on today. Fishing challenge. How not to have a fishing challenge? They're gone. They're going to the park.
They just left. Well, I'm still here. We have to do this more.
Battle to the death on the roller log. Yeah. Fill it out.
I'm stuck.
Where's Tristan? Baby versus broken arm.
You won. Yes. Oh yeah, there is. I have not swung in a long time. Let's get on this medal. Yay. Daddy, follow me to the bus. Anybody wanna order pizza?
Yeah, what kind of pizza do you want?
What the? Wait.
What kind of pizza do you want?
Chief, what?